Hi, I'm Ann Myrick, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a messy house. What I like to do is I like to go room by room. So right now I'm in the master bedroom, and what I would do is just really concentrate on the master. I like putting a hamper or a basket or a box right in front, and what I'll do is everything that does not belong in this room, I'm just going to put in the hamper. Whether it's things that belong downstairs, things that belong in the children's room, I'm just going to throw it here. So I'm going to pick up my room, pick up things that do not belong in here, and here I am. And then as I pick up, I'm going to make the bed. I'm going to pull it tight. I'm going to put everything in its place. I'm going to start up and work down. So I will do some dusting of cobwebs around my ceiling and walls. And then once I've picked everything up, I'm going to go around and dust my furniture. And then once I am ready to move out, I'm going to go in and you can either vacuum now or you can go around and clean each room doing the same thing and then come back running the vacuum cleaner and then doing the mop. So as I leave this room and I'm getting ready to go to the next room, I take my basket with me because there are things that were in this basket that might go into the room that I go into next. And then I would do that same thing I did in this room. I would do it throughout all the rooms and then come back and do my mopping and do my vacuuming, and then I'm finished. This is Ann Myrick, and that's how you clean up a messy house.